Good day and happy new year. So this is my um fifth day. It's my fifth day accepting the challenge. So for now guys, I have 986. I'm not yet walking in the street, so just here lang in the house. Walking and then doing chores. But I will do update later for the steps. So, ayun. Thank you and see ya later. 172. I'm gonna show you. So ngayon, nandito ako kila ate pero uuwi ulit ako. Di ba makita? So, uwi ulit ako sa taas para magbihis ng puti. Kasi meron kaming party na mga magkakapatid. So, balik ulit tayo. Update ulit maya guys. I'm back. I've changed my outfit. I've changed my clothes into white from pink into white. We are going to get together with my family. So for now it's 2,610. So I'm gonna walk from here or there to here, just vice versa only. So I've decided not to go to Caridad. It's too hot already, so yeah, vice versa from here to there. And then so I'm gonna update you later guys. Happy new year. I love you guys. Thank you. In for our 10,000 steps. 6,780. So let's do walking again.
Nandito ka naman, ito kasi malog ka. Bisa na sa friends ay inuwi, di makabilis kayo. Baby na, hindi natin, bikini-changin nila. Every time trying to rise above, I'm stuck away by love. Baby na, hindi natin, bikini-changin nila. Don't pull me up, got me in between, yeah. Got me mountain mountain, you know I can't resist. You start getting down to breathe. You said it? You can be counting it out. Every time trying to rise above, I'm stuck away by love. Baby na, hindi natin, bikini-changin nila. Baby, I can help it. You can try to get no love. Gotta be trying. Get no love. Can't help it, no love. Second time friends say to me, if my heart beats dead, baby, I can help it. Every time I pass by, I'm stuck with my love. Baby, I can help it.
7,000. for my steps. It's hiningal ako. It's 9,059. 9,059. Inaantok ako. So, umuwi muna ako. So, gusto ko muna matulog at tatapusin ko yung steps mamaya. I will i-post ko muna. Nakapost yan. Nakapost yan, guys. I post my time. So, sleep muna ako. I feel sleepy and tired. Grabe yung pawis ko. So sweaty. Sweat. So, yun guys. I will update again later. And, yeah. Thank you. Hello everyone. And I'm back again guys for update. So, finally, I've done my 10,000k steps. 10,000 steps. So, it's 10,010. Yeah, it's 10,010. And it is my 5th day. So, thank you so much, Drew. Thank you for this challenge. And everyone, happy New Year, guys. Bye.